How to replace SMPS, switch mode power supply. Step 1. Power off the CPU and remove the power cable. Step 2. Remove 2 screws from back side. Step 3. For safety, wear a ESD wristband. Step 4. Remove the side cover of the CPU. Step 5. Remove all the SMPS power cables from motherboard. Step 6. Remove hard disk and CD drive's power cable. Step 7. Remove 4 screws in backside of the cabinet and take the SMPS outside of the cabinet. Step 8. Fix the new SMPS inside of the cabinet and fix 4 screws at the backside of the cabinet. Step 9. Fix all the power connectors in the motherboard. Step 10. Fix hard disk power cable and CD drive power cable. Step 11. Close the side cover of the cabinet and fix 2 screws. And that's how it is done.